Clipper sharpener by Salon Affairs. It's going to Imo State, Nigeria. See, that's the dulling machine. That's the dulling machine. That's the sharpener, right? So you dull your clipper blade, the tips of your clipper blade here, and you sharpen here. That's the power switch for the dulling. That's the power switch for the sharpener, right? Going to Imo State, Nigeria. See, this is the power cord, right? This is the rubbing block. That's the sharpening powder and the blade holders. There are two. This is one for the cutting blade. This is another one for the comb blade. And bring it out so you guys can see properly. That's it for the cutting blade. That's for the comb blade. The blade holder. That's the sharpening powder. Premium sharpening powder. High grade, low micron. Very premium. Right. That's the power cord. Okay. Going to Imo State, Nigeria. By Salon Affairs for clipper sharpening.